Diyan oh, sa taas yan.
Hello there, nandito kami ngayon, the whole bunch of my free life partners. And asan tayo, partner? Barangay Maloma, San Felipe, Zambales. Yes, and we just have we're just having our picture taken dito sa isa sa, this is actually considered the oldest tree in the entirety of Zambales. So take a look, it's so big. You can actually see, hindi mo ma-hug yung piling niya. So, sobrang laki niya. I think you need 10 people circling around so that you can hug it. So, that's how big it is. And it's still erected here in Zambales.